you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a retro glam makeup, and in this look I have given you like two lippies option, like one is this red and other is you will see in the video. So without further ado, let's get to the video.
Audio Jungle.
So first of all, for my primer I took this L'Oreal Base Magic primer. This primer is really good if you have larger pores because it instantly blurs out the pores and leaves the skin really soft and subtle. For the foundation, I took this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Beige, and taking it on my hand with this beauty blender I am applying all over my face. This foundation is really good for normal to oily skin, and it is not full coverage but it is buildable coverage, so you can definitely build coverage with this. For the concealing and highlighting, I took the combination of Maybelline and Wet n Wild concealers. You can definitely check the description box below for all the detailed information about the product I use in this video. And for this retro slash vintage makeup, I am going to be definitely focusing on contouring and highlighting because I feel like they were really focused on contouring and highlighting, so I am just going to cream contour also. And in case I didn't mention, the beauty blender I am using is from Morphe. For my cream contouring, I am using this shade from Krylon Derma palette, and will be contouring the usual areas of my face. And in case you guys miss my video on full contouring, you can check it out on the Instagram. I will link my Instagram link in the description box. Definitely go check it out if you have any queries or doubt on contouring. Here you can definitely see the difference between before and after highlighting and contouring. To set my whole face and bake my under eyes, I took this MAC foundation powder in the shade medium. But afterwards I felt that there is no enough light under my eyes, so I used the Revolution one, the baking powder in the banana. Now for the contouring, I took this duo from Nykaa in the variant Sizzle Chizzle and intensifying my contouring a little bit more. For the blush, I am taking this Nude Peach from Maybelline Fit Me range. Now for my brows, I am taking this Etude House brow pencil in the shade grey brown. Now this is amazing brow pencil. If you are searching for one, it is reasonable and the consistency of this pencil is really amazing, you guys. Now for my favorite part, the highlighter, I took the Nykaa duo in the shade 24K Glam and I am applying it on my cheekbones. I really love this highlighter. It is really skin finish like, it does not feel chunky and yet it is really glam. Now using this Glam on blush by Color Bar and adding some pinkiness to my blush. Using this Profusion mixed metal nude palette, and I am creating a really very light eye makeup because I feel that it's all about liner when it's come to the vintage and retro glam makeup. For my wing liner, I am using this pencil from Nykaa and creating a really nice wing liner. And before applying mascara, I used a lash curler from Vega and curled my lashes. For the mascara, I used the Flowerbeauty Lash Warrior mascara, and this mascara is magic, you guys. It lifts the lashes and gives the volume so great. And now for my lower waterline, I used a color bar gel pencil in the shade Innocent White, and this is really a pigmented gel pencil if you really want to invest in something good. And applying this brown color in the lower lash line to finish off the eye makeup. And for this look, I wanted to give two lipstick options. The first one is this nude from Nykaa. The lip liner is from Nykaa in the shade Pillow Fight, and this is really pigmented. And the lipstick I'm using is from Nykaa as well. It is their Ultra Matte range in the shade Mona Lisa. And the second option that I was talking about is red. The lip liner is from Maybelline Color Sensational in the shade Very Cherry. And the lipstick is my most favorite. This is from Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Boss. So that's it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something. I enjoyed it so much. I really love this hairband. And if you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It means absolute world to me. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah.